At Acqueon, we believe providing a better customer experience can make the difference between a happy customer and one who is lost to the competition. To us, better means more than just providing information. It means knowing how and when the customer wants to be contacted, whether through voice, SMS, or email. Forrester named this expectation of proactive outbound communication as number 4 on their top 15 trends for customer service in 2013, noting that 29% of enterprises are investing in the tools and software they need to reach their customers. Acqueon Technologies builds solutions that enhance the Cisco outbound platform and not only provide better customer experiences, but improve the efficiency of the contact center overall. So how do we deliver these better experiences? Our products are built under the Cisco Developer Network Program, are certified Cisco compatible, and are endorsed by the Cisco partner community. Acqueon's flagship outbound product, List and Campaign Manager, LCM, added to Cisco's Unified Contact Center Enterprise product, unlocks the ability to monitor a contact at all 3 levels throughout its lifecycle. At the list level, organizations can load multiple lists into campaigns and segment those lists based on always changing business parameters. When the contact is at the dialer level, LCM's dial plan management and multi-channel contact management enable the contact center to reach the right person at the right number and via the right media to best meet campaign objectives. After the contact is reached is where every second counts. The agent has a simple but powerful desktop experience that brings to one central location all the information the agent needs to handle customer issues efficiently. Acqueon's LCM is also built to meet the growing regulatory requirements of an outbound operation with do not call lists, time zone campaign management, and regional and state law calling compliance. With LCM, we took the fundamentals of outbound communication and built a powerful, advanced, and carefully crafted outbound solution that makes the whole experience better for your customers.